so much going on behind the scenes, guys. You don't know. So much going on. It's Lincoln Road, isn't it? Lincoln Road is unbelievable. Everything can happen Lincoln Road. We keep joking with other people, my friends. Lincoln Road is another country in Peterborough. It's true. Hi everyone, welcome back to our page, Munchy Food Review. Today we are in the middle of the Lincoln Road at Big Mouth. We're gonna do the food review. Go inside the shop now. Gonna place the order, speaking to the staff as well a little bit to know about their shop, and then we're going to the business. Place the order. Everything cost me £19.75. Load the box. Load the box comes with chicken burger, wings, and chips. And I got the loaded doner chips as well, which is a new item on the menu. We're gonna try that as well. And let's see what, and special one, the smash beef burger. Let's try. Oh my God. Let's get down to the business now. Here we go, that's what we're having. Oh my God. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Big Mouth. Nice presentation. Nice. We got here today 2 burgers. Which one is this one? Oh, they put a little S there. So that is the smash burger. This is the chicken burger. Got the chicken burger. Nice wrapped chicken burger. Big Mouth. Let's go for it. It's very hot today. Honestly, I don't know if I can handle all this food in this weather. Too hot. But let's go for it. Chicken burger. Let's see. Chicken burger. Oh, you got cheese on top. Mayonnaise on the top. Lettuce on the bottom. Nice presented. Wow! Delicious. I knew when I saw that it was going to be something good, and it is. Wow, delicious burger. Crunchy chicken burger. A lot flavoring in my mouth now. Delicious. No exaggerating. No exaggerating. It's very good. Oh my God. Wow, what a nice. It's very busy today. Wow, it's Lincoln Road, isn't it? Couldn't expect it less than that. Very busy road. I was asking the main man inside what he suggests me. He suggests me the smash beef burger. We're gonna try it in a second. Peri chips. Seriously guys, I'm enjoying so much doing this review. Chicken, chips. I wish it was free food, but maybe one day, isn't it? Let's go. Chips. Very good, very nice. Got the peri season on it. Delicious. But got the strips. Wow. Nice. You know that chicken burger? It's made from the breast. Chicken fillet breast. And that chicken breast, there is the chicken strips. It comes out of the breast. And this is tender. Much more tender than the chicken burger. Wow. You know, chicken shops over the Peterborough, I'm sorry, but this big mouth, they are doing so well. They're doing very good. Very busy road. And you got the garage next to them as well. The bus garage, stagecoach. Ooh. Let's go for it. Watch this. What a nice coated wing. The flat wing coated with nice bread. Can't tell it's nice. Let's go for it. And I'll tell you what's like. Oh, delicious. What a nice wing. Spicy. That's what we expect. Spice wing. That's our order, spice wing. So got that heat now. Got the kick. Oh, my mouth. Woo! Hot, hot. Ooh, that's what you order. The hot wings. Oh my god. Mouth burning. Woo! Yes, guys. Anyway, we got the chicken burger, delicious. Strips, tender, juicy, succulent, nice. And the hot wings. Ooh! My mouth is still burning. Whoa! We got chicken, piece of chicken as well to try. Oh, look at that. Look at that chicken. It's a chicken breast cut with the wing as well. So it's extra, it's a bonus. So this chicken is not gonna be as hot as the wing. You alright, guys? How's it going? There's so much going on behind the scenes, guys. You don't know. So much going on. It's Lincoln Road, isn't it? Lincoln Road is unbelievable. Everything can happen Lincoln Road. We keep joking with other people, my friends. Lincoln Road is another country in Peterborough. It's true. Talk about chicken. Nice coated, breaded chicken. Go for a bite. Wow. Delicious. Very nice. Tender chicken. Very, very nice. Wow. Woo. Wow. Sensational. Delicious. These guys really care. They really care. Something just come out. Okay, I got big mouth. So am I. So do I. chicken, no chicken, forget about chicken. Already had so much chicken. Lamb doner meat. Chips, cheese, salad, salsa, and jalapenos. Whoa, what a combination. Let's dive in. Let's dive in. Definitely. Congratulations to these guys. They're doing well. Delicious. Nice. Chunky. Nice chunky doner meat. Got the salsa sauce. Jalapenos now. I just dive in the jalapenos. Get some salad as well. Wow. Wow. Nice. Honestly, all the jalapenos just delicious. Big mouth. Doing well. They're over 2 years in Lincoln Road, and so many people don't know that. So many people don't know they can get great, nice, tasty chicken in Peterborough for a good price. My mouth is still burning from that wing. Ooh. I got real, tropical, orange, guava, apricot, mango, passion fruit. Love a passion fruit. And real. That's where I come from. That's what the city called, real. Delicious. Tropical, just like the days at home. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Woo. Mouth is still burning a little bit, but can't handle. I still got this mashed burger. Love this mashed burger. Flat grill. Get the little balls on the grill. Smash with the spatula. Crispy. Caramelized burger. And then put in the bread. Let's go for it. See how much care. Look at the way they wrapped the burgers. Well, nice wraps with their name as well. Boom. Professional. Woo. Let me get closer to you guys. 2 patties. Special sauce. Pickles. Let's go for it. That cheese sauce just hit my mouth. Full of flavor. Good smashed burger. Honestly. I'm passionate by chicken, but that beef, lovely, delicious. Wow, have a little bit more drink. Well guys, I had all this food, cost me £19. 2 burgers, chicken wings, strips, wow, drink, big mouth. Wow. What about school? Marcel, if I have to school this place, people inside, wow, nice people. Suggest me what to have. What? Oh, good. Inside they got tables, about 10 tables. You can eat in as well. Sit down, place your order, get what you want to eat. Delicious. Don't forget the comments below. Tell us where to go next shop, and subscribe as well. Delicious. Oh, good.